How to add apps. To add limit session on your iPhone to prevent people from accessing that app without your permission. Even with your permission, if you exceed the time you've set for that particular apps, you will not be able to access that app again. For example, I'm a football fan, so I love watching football, and this is my club. So I want to hide this app, Blue Life. All I have to do now is to go to settings on my iPhone and tap on it. Then from here, scroll up until you get to screen time on your iPhone, tap on it. Then scroll up until you get to app limit, tap on it. Now it comes out like this. Tap on this button, add limit. Or tap on it to provide your screen time passcode, tap on it. Now it comes out like this. Now you have to locate that particular apps. Let me see if it's under social. If it's under social, you tap on it, you see it's not under social. Let me tap under game. It's not under game. Let me see entertainment. Now it's under entertainment. So let me tap on this button, blue lives and live score. Then tap on next. Or tap on next. So I want to say maybe after 10 minutes or 5 minutes per day or 2 minutes, this app should exit. And don't forget that you need to tap on this button and block at end of the time. You must enable this button. So once you do that, guys, so these two apps will be blocked. So tap on this button. Now you have to wait for the 2 minutes you've created for this app, so that, or the specific time you've created for this app, so that after that time the app will not be it will not function again until the following day. So let's take a look at the blue apps, because we are still under 1 minute. You can see it has exceeded the 1 minute setting. So you can see that the blue apps is enabled. Tap on it, you've exceeded the limit unless you provide a password again. So this is very good setting on iPhone. If you want to control how you use a particular app on your iPhone, then go ahead and try this particular setting and follow it strictly. So guys, if you enjoy what I've explained and you can subscribe, please subscribe, and don't forget to like, share, and drop your comment in the comment section.